Welcome to 28 Arran Street out here in sunny Mosgiel. Are you looking for your first home, downsizing or investing?
I'm Luke, this is Daryl from LJ Hooker Dunedin. Come along and have a look. It's a great property, heaps to offer in a prime location. Come along to one of our open homes, you won't want to miss out.